Hello there, this is Richard with BioShieldUV. In this video, we will be talking about the magnetic series where we have our bulb with our magnetic holder, and we have the option of a wall plug adapter, as well as wiring directly to your HVAC ballast. In this video, we will simply be showing how to install this mounting kit into your HVAC duct. Remember, do not touch the bulb by itself. You want to touch the bottom of the holder. If you touch the glass itself, it can create a hotspot when you leave any fingerprint, oil, or residue on the glass itself. So holding the base of the bulb, I'm going to go ahead and unscrew two little nuts. That's going to hold our bulb in place. Put this in, taking the same nut. Okay, now that this is in place, I'm going to go ahead and put it off to the side. We do suggest using the drill bit included to create a hole for the viewport. You can look through this viewport. The UV light is supposed to be stopped by this piece of viewport over here. So we're going to go ahead and drill a hole just to show how to do it. Before we get started, it is recommended to go ahead and put on personal protective equipment. So put on your goggles and earbuds, making sure that there's nothing behind the ducting that you'll drill into. We're going to go ahead and drill a hole. Okay, we might want to clean that up a bit. It's best if you push it from inside so the air is sealed. And this will allow us to kind of see if there's any UV light protruding out from here. So in this wall plug, we have it designed specifically where we can go ahead and drill a hole and run the wire out through the ducting itself and plug into the wall outlet. So we're going to use the included drill bit to go ahead and start the hole. Okay, now that this is attached, we're going to go ahead and drill a hole. But before we start, we're going to first put on protective personal equipment. You will notice that this side has a nut that allows us to screw it onto here. We're going to go ahead and feed this through with a wall outlet on the outside of the HVAC ducting. I'm going to go ahead and secure the other nut on the other side and tighten it up. Okay, this is ready. Now, we're not going to plug this in just yet. We're not going to plug this in until everything is done on the inside and we have closed any covering or opening to prevent any UV lights from being exposed to your eyes or your skin. I'm going to go ahead and flip this around. We have the plug over here for us to connect to the ballast that will give us the power for the wall outlet. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in over here. Pretty straightforward, you just push it in. Now that we're ready, you will notice that in this case, both of these have the same outlet, same plug to the UV light itself. So I'm going to take the UV light. We're going to go ahead and plug it in. It's a little bit of a tight fit. Okay, once again, just make sure that the nuts are secure so your bulb isn't going to fall out, especially when the HVAC vibrates. If needs be, take a pair of pliers, give it a turn. Now that I know this is secure, I'm going to go ahead and put this on. That's it. Now your next step is to make sure that you know how to wire the HVAC ballast. Otherwise, if you do not know, please buy our model that allows you to plug it in with a wall outlet over here.